Student, in this video we will discuss about the polynomial, that is the third chapter of class 10 NCERT book. Okay, so first we will discuss about the polynomial. Poly means many, poly means many. ठीक है, nominals means terms. What does it mean, nominals? Terms. So any algebraic expression which has many terms, that is called polynomial. And quadratic polynomial, ठीक है, quadratic polynomial means it has highest power 2. Okay, so here the quadratic polynomial means in which variables highest power is 2. What is the variable here? X. X is the variable because value keep on changing, it's not fixed. That's what we call it variable. Variable, vary means different, because it can be changed. So now we can give this polynomial name is fx. So how to find zeros? First of all, what is the zero actually? Zero means the value which we keep in this polynomial becomes 0. Okay, that's called zero of this polynomial. It means any value which satisfies this equation. It means any value which we keep in this equation, the value of this polynomial becomes 0. Example, suppose if I keep here 1, f1 means in place of x, if I keep 1, so I'll keep 1, wherever x I'll keep 1. 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 10. So 1 square means 1, 3 ones are 3 minus 10. 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 10 equal to minus 6. So is this polynomial became 0? No. So 1 is not a 0 of this polynomial. 0 means solution, or in the quadratic equation we call it root also. Both are same. Solution and zeros and roots all are same. But according to their if they are using polynomial, they are called 0. If they are using the quadratic equation, they are called roots. Okay, now we can keep x equal to 2. So f2 will be how much? 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 2s are 6 minus 10. 10 minus 10 is equals to 0. Now you see this polynomial f2 became 0. On keeping x equal to 2, this polynomial value has become 0. So this is the 0 of this polynomial. What is 0 of this polynomial? 2. 2 is the 0 of this polynomial. Okay, now this will take lot of time to find out, correct? We keep putting the value in place of x1, 2, 3, and we are not sure when this equation will be satisfied. Okay, for that reason we will use another method to find 0 of this polynomial. So let's see. We will give name. So what is the name of coefficient of x square? Like coefficient means before x square whatever number, that is called coefficient. Coefficient of x square. Suppose before x square which number is there? No number. So and we can write it ax square plus bx plus c. Clear? Ax square plus bx plus c. So before x square whatever number is there, that we call a. Before x whatever number is there, that we call b. Okay, and alone number means there is no variable, that is called c. Okay, and now before x square which number is there? No number. It means we consider 1 in this equation, in this. Okay, so a equal to 1. Why equal to 1? Because before x square there is no number, so we consider it 1. B, before x which number is there? 3. So we consider b equal to 3. And c, without x which number is there? 10. Minus 10, because even we considered sign as well. So minus 10. Okay. Now we need to find value of x here, which will satisfy this polynomial. For that reason, if 3 terms we take, nothing is common. In these 2 terms x we can take, but this term will be alone. So we can't do any factors. So which method we will follow? We will follow the middle term splitting. Okay, what is the middle term here? 3x. What's the middle term here? 3x. So we will split 3 in such a way so that on multiply we get minus 10 and on addition subtraction we will get 3. Okay, so to finding this we will use one method, a into c. What is the a into c? A is 1, c is minus 10. It means minus 10. Okay, we will split minus 10 in such a way, so addition or subtraction we should get 3, on multiplication we should get minus 10. So we'll find the pair, which two number we should multiply, we'll get a minus 10. 5 and 2, 5 to the 10. Okay, that's all. 5 to the 10 only, one pair we get. So what we'll do, we'll keep here, they have done directly. We can do another method also, like suppose here x square plus 5 minus 5 minus 2. How can we write? How can we write 3 5 minus 2 and x will keep as it is minus 10. Okay, both method you can follow. Okay, now here x square, if you open it, we'll get the same thing, whatever is here. X square plus 5, this x will be multiplied, 5x. Okay, then minus 2x, this x will multiply with minus 2. Minus 2x minus 10 is equals to 0. Minus 10, not 0, because 0 will come in quadratic equation. Okay, so we get same value, same thing. This one, x square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. So I made it at simplest form. Okay, so directly 5 minus 2, 3 you write, and bracket, like you just in place of 3 you just write 5 minus 2, and this is 3. 5 minus 2, 3 will come, and you can write x with this one x. This x you can write, 3 we can write 5 minus 2. Then we can open the bracket, 5x minus 2x. That's all. Okay. Now we can take common. From here what we can take common? X. So here x square, from x square if we take x common, because x square we can write x into x. This I am explaining in so simple way so that who doesn't know, they also can understand. So here x I have kept outside. So what's left inside? X. From here x I have kept outside. What is left? 5x plus 5. From here what we can take? You can see here minus sign is also common. So I kept minus sign. And 2 also we can take common. Why? Because 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10. So from here I kept 2 outside. Take this 2. So from first term, from this term, 2 I kept outside. This 2. Now inside what is left? X. Since minus I have taken common, so plus. And from this 2 I have taken outside. So what is left? Only 5. X plus 5. Now you can take x plus 5. X plus 5 is common. So from here if I keep x plus 5 outside, what will be left? X. From here if I take x plus 5 common, minus 2 is left. So this is the factor. Now since this is the 0 of this polynomial, we need to find 0 of the polynomial. So we will make fx equal to 0. Fx, what is the fx here now? X minus 2, x plus 5 equal to 0. So now separately we can keep, because they are product form. So x minus 2 equals 0 or x plus 5 is equals to 0. Up 2 will come this side, will become plus 2. X equal to 2. Plus 5 will come this right side, will become minus 5. So x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 5 are the 0 of which polynomial? This polynomial. Okay, this is how we find out 0. Now one more question in which we will find zeros of the polynomial, as well as we will find relation between its zeros and coefficient. Okay, so let's see. Here is our polynomial x square plus 7x plus 12. So since we have discussed in the previous sum only, here a equal to 1, b is equals to 7, c is equals to 12. Because before x square there is no number, so 1. Before x there is no number, so that is 7, and c is alone. Because before x square what a number, that we call a. Before x whatever number we call b, and a lone number we call c. Clear? So now we will find a into c. What is the a into c? 1 into 12. Okay, so 12. Now we will find number which on multiplying them we get 12. 6 to the 12. Take 6 to the 12. Then 4 3 is the 12. That's all. These two number we are getting. So can we see on adding or subtracting which number we get 7, because we have to split middle term as we know. Okay, so 4 plus 3 7, right? 4 plus 3 7. So this pair will be okay. So we can write here, one more step I will add here, 4 plus 7. You can write 4 plus 3, not 7. 4 plus 3x. Okay, now we can open the bracket, because what happened, no, if we do separately 4 minus 3 and by adding like minus 4 plus 3, 4x plus 3x, this kind of um, writing make sign problem. Okay, so many of the children, they will do sign mistake, plus minus mistake. So better whatever sign is there, let it be. Plus sign is there, let it be plus sign. Okay, only we have to write inside, we have to focus on the inside sign, whether we are subtracting or we are adding. On adding, 4 plus 3 will get the 7, so both let be plus only. And whatever sign is outside, like here plus sign is, let it be plus only. And inside 7 we can write 4 plus 3, let it be 4 plus 3 only. There is no tension, there will be no mistake of sign. So x plus 12. Okay, now if we open the bracket, x square will be as to this x square, as I write here, x square. Now 4x multiply, this is a 4, 1 second, 4 plus 3. Open the bracket, so 4 into x, 4x, and 3 into x, 3x. This x I multiplied in both the number, 4 and 3. And 12 as still, there is no change. From here what we can take, or x we can take common. X square is there, so 1x we can keep outside, 1x will be left inside. From here x we have taken outside, so only 4 will be left. Here what we can take 3, because 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. 12 we can write 3 into 4. So what is left? X is left. From here what is left? 4. Now x plus 4 we can keep outside. Then x will be left here, 3 will be left here. Now as we know, this is the 0 of this polynomial. So we'll keep polynomial is equals to 0 only. Okay? So x plus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 3 equal to 0, because there's the multiply sign between them. If there's no sign, what we consider? Multiply sign. Fine. So x plus 4 equal to 0. So plus 4 will come right side. So plus sign will become minus. Here x plus 3 is equal to 0. So plus 3 will come right side, will come minus 3. Okay. So we got two zeros. X equal to minus 4 and is equal to minus 3. These are the zeros of this polynomial. It means if we keep these value either minus 4 or plus 4 in place of x in this polynomial will become 0. Okay. Now we will find relation between the coefficient. Verify the relation between 0, its zeros, and the coefficient. So sum of the zeros means we have to add them. What are the zeros? Minus 4 plus minus 4. Since we have to find sum, so we'll use plus sign. Tick. Up now, both are minus, both are having minus sign. If two numbers have the same sign, we have to add them. So minus 4 minus 3 will become minus 7. Okay. Upon 1, because if we divide divide any number by 1, we get the same number. So there is no problem, we can divide by 1 also. Our coefficient of x, what is the coefficient? Minus sign we have to keep, this minus as it is. Our coefficient of x, what is the coefficient of x? Is 7. Upon coefficient of x square, what is the coefficient of x square? 1 here, there is no numbers, we consider 1. Okay. Now product of the 0, product means multiply. So minus 4 into minus 3. Since minus 7 will be cancelled, in the multiply only it will be cancelled, not plus or minus. So 4 is a 12 upon 1, because if we divide any number by 1, same number will come. So this is what constant term. What is the 12 here? Constant term. And 1 is the coefficient of x square. So what's the relation? If we find sum of the zeros, that will be equal to the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, what we call? B. A coefficient of x square we call A. Correct? And product of the 0, if you multiply two zeros of this polynomial, any polynomial, not this polynomial, it is equal to the constant term. What's the constant term here? C. Constant term, this is called C, na? Okay. And coefficient of x square we call A, as we learned. Coefficient of x square we call A, because this polynomial will be in this form: x square plus bx plus c. Okay. Okay. So C upon A. Coefficient of x square is 1 only. So this is the relation. So if we want to find sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, directly we can use this formula as well.